ProSars people, you guys, they're coming with sticks. There are so many. There are so many. They are ProSars, Hausa boys, and they are coming with sticks. And they want to hit cars. See them, they are a lot. They are coming with sticks.
Thank you, police. ProSars is the police. Now this ProSars guys now. ProSars guys. ProSars guys.
We are live at the Abuja protests, and you can see what one of the ProSars protesters have done. These guys went about slashing tires. They caught him vandalizing this. You can see this is one of the cars. There is another car over there. You can see what has been done. You can see what has been done. And the funniest part is we had some civil defense guys right over there, and they were sitting. They did not do anything. They caught this guy, a young Hausa or Fulani, I'm not so sure. They caught him vandalizing cars. They want it to look like, they want to set us up, they want it to look like we are the ones vandalizing.
Nobody should. It's okay.
Don't hit you. Please don't hit you. Don't hit you.
And look at what they did to people's cars.
We will get you another car. Now Hausa boys.
And they smashed all these cars. They broke cars.
Civil defense guys.
Okay.
They didn't do anything.
Oh, so you mean that they were sitting there and they did not do anything? Really? Now you can see what is happening. This is live at the Abuja protest, and you can see what the ProSars protesters have done. We have been as peaceful as possible, but look at what they did.